All right, hey guys, welcome to this complete video of IQ software. So I'm going to take my time to show you what IQ is all about and how you can make the most out of it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So IQ is an all-in-one AI chatbot solution designed to help businesses automate customer interactions, boost sales, and provide seamless support 24/7. So let's say you're a digital marketer, business owner, you own an agency, a support team. IQ is built to make customer engagement effortless. So it comes with its advanced AI capabilities. You can create intelligent AI agents or chatbots. You can automate sales pitches. You can provide real-time assistance and even route chat or conversation to human agents when needed. So um, I'll have to log in now. I'll have to log in going so that you can see how the dashboard looks like. Then from there, you can start taking all the features one after the other so that you can really understand how you can use IQ and make the most out of it. Okay. So I already have my email and my password here. So all I have to do is to just click on the login button below. So let me do that. So to take few seconds. Okay, exactly. Uh, ouch. I think my screen is a bit this record I'm using, I think it didn't shrink my screen. Okay, I'm going to pause this here and I'm going to fix this so that you can have a better view of the home page. So I'll be back in a bit. Okay guys, we are back. Okay, the complaint I made, I think is fixed. All I did was to zoom out my screen, my laptop screen. I think previously it was all zoomed in, but now I just had to zoom it out. So I think we cannot see the interface clearly. So this is the home page of IQ. So the very moment you come to this place, when you log in successfully, you will be brought to this page. You taken to this page. So you see the header, you see the logo on the top left side, while you see where you can see a drop down where you can make some settings or changes when it's things that concerns your account, maybe your profile, and also your workspace and all that. So, but that's not where we are focused for now. And also, you will see a short text here telling you, "Hey, welcome to IQ." To start your journey with us, we advise you to watch the demo video below. And the demo video below is, I think here it is. Here it is. Um, what we did in a way to simplify the interface, we just brought out the key, let's say the key, the key tools that people will be using more often. We just brought them out so that anytime you just want to use it, you don't need to, start, chatting support or start going to read articles on how to use IQ. The idea is to make sure that this whole thing is simplified. Whatever thing that you're looking for, you can just head straight to the home page, or you can call it the dashboard page. Then you can just scroll and you're going to see it. So we have the watch demo video, just like what you're saying here. It's advisable for you to watch this video. So when you click here, you're expected to see a pop-up telling you, "Hey, watch this demo video." So when you click play, you're going to watch demo video. For now, we don't really have the video here, so I'm not going to click on it. So the next thing we have here is the agent console. The agent console is your hub for managing. The agent console is your hub for managing and optimizing your chatbot performance or your AI agent performance. So we also have the workspace where you can organize, customize, and collaborate with your team across. We also have the integration page where you can connect. Here it is, the integration page where you can connect your accounts and also manage all chats. Um, Mostly connect different accounts. When we get there, we are going to cross that bridge. So another thing you will need to know is the agent templates, reseller, the agency reseller, and of course the IQ Academy. So okay, I also have the admin settings here. I also have the admin settings here. Um, I also have the admin settings here. You may not be able to see this one because you are not an admin. So upon everything I discuss, one thing that you really want to know about is this button here, build agents. This is where we are going to kickstart our journey. Build agent. You want to build an agent or a chatbot, you have to pass through this particular button here. Yeah. So we'll start that in a bit. All right, guys. So let's just head straight to this button. Let's just experience it and see how it feels to easily create a chatbot. So what you're going to do is just to click on the build agent button. So let's do that together. So you're going to see a pop-up. The header here is showing configure agents, enter a unique name for your agent and all that. So the first is more like a form. So the first thing that you'll see here is add a domain based URL. So okay, there is also a subtext here telling you to please input the domain host name you wish to use this chat agent. For example.com, not https slash example so what this means is that I'm going to use the IQ landing page to just run a quick test on this. So I'm going to add the IQ landing page URL here, the base URL. So iqverse.com. So as you can see, I did not include HTTPS, no, those stuff are not there. What they are asking you to do here is just to add your domain base URL, and that's it. So this is good. We are good to go. So the next thing is to add the chatbot's title or the AI agent title. So I think I'm going to add VAS. I'm going to title this VAS tests. So the very moment you have succeeded in adding both the domain base URL and the chatbot title, the button below will be made active, and you're going to see a text showing continue. Simply means that you should click on it and continue your journey. So let's do that together. So we click on the button. So let's give it few seconds. You will be taken to the editor page. Okay, here we are. Is loading. Okay, here we are. So this is the IQ editor page. So we are creating don't forget what we are doing. We are creating our agents or our chats, but you can call it AI agents, or you call it a chat bot. So that's what we are creating. So we've succeeded in adding our base URL, and we've added a title. So as you can see, there's the editor. So what you're going to do now, or you're expected to do, is to design how you want your chatbot or your AI chatbot to look like. So this particular interface now, we have I think it's divided into three. The first one here, the first section here is the header where you have the logo, the tests and preview button, and the launch chatbot button. So if you're done designing your chatbot, all you have to do is also click the launch chatbot button, and you're good to go. If you're still working on it, you just want to test or you want to preview, you can still click on the preview button here to just have a view of what you have been working on. So we also have a major section by your left. Okay, after the header, The next session is divided into two parts. The first part by your left, by my left or by our left. Okay, that is where you have all your design. That's where you have all your design, for your design angles or text or whatever thing you want to work on. So there you have, we have the appearance, we have the train bots, we have the automation, and we have the self-help. So don't worry at all. We are going to go through this together, one step at a time. At the end of the day, surely you're going to understand how to use this. So by our right hand side, we also have a preview section. So whatever changes you're making here, whether you're training your bot, you're adding appearance, you're adding automation or self-help, whatever thing you're working on here displays on the right hand side. The preview, this preview that you're seeing here, it shows here, which is good so that you have a full view of what you're doing. Okay. 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 So you understand that you understand the header section, you understand what to do. In case you want to go back to the home page, you just need to click on the logo or the direction button telling you to go back. This button here, if you click on it, or the logo or any of the icon here, the logo icon, it will take you back to the dashboard or the home page. So maybe you can start afresh if that is what you want. So you also understand that beneath the header section, you have on that section that is splitted or that is divided into two, the left and the right. So since we understand that part, so let's start designing our chatbot. So the first thing here we are saying is appearance. So we have to click this. When you click, the that particular section drops, so you can add, or you may want to add a welcome message when users visit your website and they try to chat you up. There will be a welcome message greeting your user, hey, welcome to our site. So just take your time to just give it a good okay, let me just go ahead to type in something like hello, welcome to our hub. Okay, let's say this chatbot, this exact chatbot I am focusing on, let's say I own a barbing salon and I'm trying to create an AI chatbot for that. An AI chatbot for a barbing salon. I already have a website, but the truth of it is that I cannot be available 247 to answer questions that people will, that people may have. So that is why I am creating this chatbot. The name of my barbing salon is Euclid Barbershop. The name of my barbing salon is Euclid Barbershop. So I'll be using that to run this quick test. Okay. So hello, welcome to Euclid Barbing Shop. Okay. How can we help you? And this is good. So the next stuff they are saying here, auto show welcome message pop-ups after. So they are telling you, when will this welcome message show? Is it the very moment the user enters or clicks on the widget, on the chat widget? Is it like the very moment the user clicks on it, 3 seconds, the message should just pops up, or 6 seconds, or 10 seconds? So I'm not going to pick 10 seconds. So that's what we have. We have what we call a suggested prompts. So these suggested prompts, it just simply means there may be some random questions, or let me say frequently asked questions. Is it frequently? No. There may be some frequently asked. It's not necessarily questions. It can be called a prompt. You can call it a prompt. Maybe the user comes into the site and they don't really have the time to type. So you can just set this key prompt like um, what do you guys really do? So you can add more than five. So it's saying the message is saying separate each suggestion with a comma. Okay, I can add another one. Where are you guys located? I think this will do. Okay, for now I think this would do. So okay, those we also have another option here. Message placeholder. Okay, message placeholder. I also want to leave this in type here. Type here. Okay, so after editing this particular part, I'm going to click on, please don't forget this, click on save all. Click on save all. Yeah, so I think this is saved. Okay, I think that is saved. That is saved. So I'm done editing my chat interface. So the next thing I want to do is brand your chatbot. Brand my chatbot. Okay, like I said, when coming here, the chatbot title we use is a VAS test. So now we already have a use case and already have a business that I'm testing this with. So like I told you earlier, the name of this business is You Clean. So I'm going to use that same name here, just like me editing what I use. You Clean Barber Shop. I think this would do. Okay, good. Good. Then I click on. Okay, I'm going to. Okay, the next option here for me to work on is add chatbot logo. I don't really do have any stuff like, okay, add chatbot logo. So I'm expected to upload. If I have a logo, if you claim barbershop have a logo, just to click here and upload that logo. So let me just upload a random logo from my local computer. So shit, don't really have much stuff here. Okay, I think I'm just going to use one of these caricature images. Okay, I think I'm going to use this Samsung looking guy here. Okay, so I've added a chatbot logo, then add a brand color. So I'm expected to add a chatbot theme color. So I don't want to use this blue, so I'm going to change it. Let me say something red. Red is okay. Red. Okay. So the very moment you click on it, it changes everything. You can also I can also upload a chat background image, just like what you have in WhatsApp, what you have for WhatsApp. Yeah, you can change your background, your chat background image. So that's what we try to achieve here. But I don't have a good looking image for now, so I will just leave that blank. So the background stuff that I'm working with is the plain white. I think I'm just going to go for plain white. I think this will do for now. So I'm going to add chatbot text color. Text color should be black. I think I'm okay with that. Then the add chatbot icon. Okay, chatbot icon is what we display in your widget. The icon that will display in your widget. What people sees and clicks. So I'm just going to this same image I added here. I think that's what I'm going to include there. So let me just scroll. Um, let me just scroll. Okay, select. So here it is. Here it is. So I'm done with this session. What I'm going to do is to save all. So just give a few seconds and it will save everything. I think my network is a bit slow. My network is a bit slow. Supposed to have saved. Okay, that is saved. The brand their chatbot. We've been able to work on this, and they are all saved. So we are going to move to the next option, which is this train bots. So we are trying to train our agents. We are trying to this part I think is very very important, and I would advise you to take your time. The individual need to take his time to work on this part, because this is the content you give to your agent. That is what is going to respond to anybody asking any question online. So the first thing we see is personalize your chatbot. So let's just check it out. So chatbot auto response, you want it to respond automatically. Yes, I want this. Instruct your chatbot on how to respond. So some persons may not really know how to do it. So that's why we brought a co-pilot out here, Q. We brought a Q co-pilot out there. The name of this co-pilot is Q. So you just have to make use of this. So click on it. For now, I don't really have anything in my head to instruct my chatbot on how to answer questions. So I'm just going to make use of the co-pilot. So I click on it. Okay. Then I'll tell it. This is exactly like this is so professional. Okay. Let me just tell you what to do. I have a barbing business. Okay, I think I'm wrong here. Okay, corrected now. So I have a barbing business. I am creating an AI agent that will help me answer questions 247 online. Please, how best should I instruct it? So I just give the AI this prompt. I click generate instruction. So let's see what it can generate. Okay, you are highly innovative and helpful. Okay, your primary goal is to provide exceptional customer service. Da 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 da. Okay. Mm, So one thing you should understand is that this content there is editable. Whatever thing you don't like, you can always edit, remove, respond in a friendly manner. Da, da, da. Okay. Key areas of expertise: scheduling, seamless booking appointment. Da, da. Immediately provide accurate direction. Da, da, da. Craft. Okay. Personalized recommendation. The truth of it is that I think I just need the two lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all these parts. I don't think they are really necessary for now since I'm running a test. So I'm going to click on use instructions. Okay, continue. Okay, load. So if I come back to this place, check the instruction. Okay, yeah, it is. I'm now seeing them here. So next thing I will set is my conversational style. I want formal. Is it you want formal, casual, or enthusiastic? I want enthusiastic. Then level of creativity, reserve, moderate, creative. I want creative. So I'm going to save this. Please don't forget this. Always save. Okay, I think that is saved. So I'll still go back to the training bots. I think I've worked on all of these, or I've personalized my chat bots. The next thing I will need to work on is to add training data. That is another very important phase you need to concentrate on. All right. I just did something now. I observed that the settings I did before for this brand your travel, it was not really showing. Like it didn't really take effect because I think I'd not really click on the save all button. But what I did was to go back and I created this. Like I made the change again. Another thing is when uploading a chatbot logo, please the image should not be heavy. It should not be. It short. As a matter of fact, it should be below. 1 MB, please, it should be below 1 MB. Then you save, then it will go successful. So that is that. So let's head back to the train bot. So we are done with personalize your chatbot. We want to add training data now to our AI agent bot or chatbot. Okay, so let's click on it. So we can add text-based data, we can add catalog, we can add FAQ and article. So I think we are just going to start with the add text-based data. So when you click on it, like I told you earlier, based on the example that we're using, the name of my shop is Euclid Barber Shop. We are focused. Okay, let me allow AI to just produce that for me. So the text-based data here, I'm expected to type in content here, to add content, my company content related to Euclid Barber Shop. So like what the business is about, our time of opening, everything. And I'm going to train, I'm expected to train this AI with the information provided. You understand? So you have to make this particular part well. You have to be well detailed. You understand? So we already have the Copilot button here, so I'm going to use Copilot to produce a well detailed content for Euclid Barbershop. So let's do that together. Click on the Copilot. I want it innovative. So I just went ahead to paste the other content I used, previous content I used. So I already have a I have a barbing business. I am creating an AI agent that will help me answer questions 247 online. Please, I want you to be well detailed. Please, I want you to be well detailed here. Give me contents on what my business is all about. Like I said, please be well detailed. Please be well detailed. Okay, let's see what QAI can produce for us. Hit the generate button and hold. Okay, so here's the generated profile. So welcome to da 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 ads. Welcome to I'm going to add my name here. Euclid Baba Euclid Baba Shop, where innovation meets classic art of barbering. We are not just another barber shop with da 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 da. Let us scroll. Okay, I think I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this so I can be using. Okay, I think the name is needed here. Ouch. Just hold on. Okay, I paste it. Okay, let's go down. But technology is only one piece of puzzle. At the heart of Numbers are highly skilled and passionate barbers. Okay, let me. What I'm doing here, I'm editing the created content by AI, by QAI. So let me scroll again. Is there any place that needs touching? Okay, none for now. So I will hit use profile. I love this. Okay, so we've already added tell us about your company content. So we are going to add essential insight about your business. So ordinarily, business owners, they should have all this information. So whether you have them stored anywhere, whether in your computer, whether in your Google Google Doc or Microsoft Word or PDF, wherever, maybe your website, what you expect, you just go there, copy those content and just paste here. But in a scenario whereby people don't really have those content, then they can really make use of this Copilot, this Copilot AI, the QAI. So For this essential insight about your business, I'm just going to paste something, without disturbing or without clicking on this particular button. So I just paste it here. Then what I'm expected to do is to click on this trim bot button. I'm going to click on this trim bot button. So okay, let me do that now. So when I do this, this is training this particular bot or this particular chatbot or AI agent. So I think it has done that. So let's go back to, okay, it has done that. Let's go back to the add data, okay, and check. Yeah, it has done that. So we also have other ways you can train your bot by. If you're into buying and selling, you can add catalog. Okay, let's work on this now. Let's say in our shop we sell clippers. So we are, let's say we sell clippers. So I'm going to let's say clipper. Okay, I'm supposed to add a product title, which I just did. Product pricing. Okay, let's go ahead and add the pricing, $56. And for product description, I may not really have a well-detailed description. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Copilot. Not to worry, this Copilot button will be brought up here just like every other one. It will be brought up here. So let's just use the Copilot button. I click on the Copilot button and let's see. I sell Chauba clippers in Euclid Barber Shop. Please, I need a well detailed description for this product. So let's do this and hit create catalog. So okay, experience the precision. Okay, we already have the generator. So okay, it even generated a product type, product price, product name, and all that. So let's click on use catalog. So I think it's going to override what we had before. So let's check that out. Let's check that out. Okay, here it is. So what okay, I'm supposed to click on okay, I can click to edit or delete. So the idea here is you can always add more catalog. You understand? Okay, let me add another one. Let me say okay um okay, let me add another one. Let me see hair cream. Let me see hair cream. So okay, let me use a Copilot. Say in Euclid Barber Shop we sell hair cream. Please, I need a well detailed description for this product. Then hit generate catalog. Okay, it's already generated. Okay, nice. Okay, I don't really like all of these so I'm going to edit them. Going to, I think they are much. Okay, I'm not going to wipe away all of this. So I think I'm content with this one. So let's go ahead, use catalog, continue. It will load. Then we'll go back to the ad training data. Let's check it out. Okay, so we already have two catalogs saved. We can remove data. We can train. Now I want to train the chatbot with these two products I have. So let's click on train chatbot. Then we hold on. Click on continue. Successfully, it is successful now. It has trained the data success. Okay, let's check it out again. The ad training catalog. Okay, saved catalog. Okay, as you can see, there is a notification that tell you trained successfully. Yeah, so we've been able to train our data with ad text. We've done this, and we've also added catalog, two major products that we have in stock. So I'll just go ahead and explain the other two. Okay, so we also have add FAQ and articles. I also have add your website link. So if you have a website link, you can always add your website link here, scrape the content, the content that you successfully script from your website. You can easily use it to train your data. So that is that. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm not going to do that in this video. So that is that. So I want us to go ahead. I want us to continue. So the next thing that we're going to do is to click on the automation. We need to go to the automation to, you know, let's just check it out. So we click automation. So we are going to see collect users data. So do not collect user data. If you want to collect, you can make it mandatory, voluntary, lead magnet. You can also add a lead magnet and all that. You can also set autoresponder. So for now, okay, ordinarily you're not supposed to be saying this. You're not supposed to be saying this. I think you have to clear cache from. I will have to clear cache from my end. I will have to clear cache from my end. Okay. So what you're supposed to be seeing here are the connected autoresponder. That is if you've connected any. If you've not connected anyone, you're going to see a button here telling you to connect autoresponder. So we have Zapier, we have I think MailChimp. We also have okay. After this, I'm just going to dive into the integration piece so that you can see it for yourself. So let's not waste much time here. Okay, so let's jump to the AI voice assistant. So you can also, there are some persons that may not really want to type or ask your chatbot some questions. They may want to ask questions maybe by talking. So that's why we have this AI voice assistant here. So you can turn it on, you can enable it, then you can select the exact voice that you want. So you can preview. Let's preview to you. Okay. Okay, that is Alloy. Let's check Echo. Okay, let's check Fable. I think my network is a bit slow. Okay, you can go. Okay, for now we just have 6 major voices. As we go further, we'll keep adding new voices. So what I'm going to do, I think I prefer Fable. Okay, I prefer Echo. I'm just going to make use of Echo. So let me save. So thanks for that. Okay, it's loading. So let me go back there. Okay, I think that is saved. Okay, so another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare for handover. So in case we are by your AI chatbot is chatting with a customer, and at some points maybe is unable to answer a particular question. So this is really advisable for you to prepare a fallback response. Something like, sorry, allow me sometime to check your request, or hey, I'm going to reroute you to a live agent. So let me just say, okay, let me just add it. Hey, okay, hello. Sorry, I am unable to answer your question. I will immediately reroute you to a live agent to assist you further. Okay. To assist you further. So you can also click on available agents if you. I think the available agent. I think this comes in handy when you must have added some persons to some of your team members here. This comes on. So if you have access to the workspace feature, you can always add your team members, and you can always bring them on board here. So I think that is that for prepare for handover. So let's enter. Okay, the end chat action. I will explain this now. So let's say you are done chatting with a particular with a potential customer. So in a way to get feedback or to know if the user is satisfied or not satisfied. So we provided this stuff here. You can collect user feedback. We mostly see this on Skype, I think WhatsApp too. So you can collect feedback. You have a yes, no bar, star rating, thumbs up, and all that. So I think yes, let's use the yes, no bar. So we can add a question, something like, was this helpful? Helpful, you know, get user comments. Okay, yeah, yeah. You can also add a feedback response. Maybe when the user successfully answers the question, you can say something like, thank you for your quick response. So this is okay. So let's save this. Let's save this. Let's save this. Okay. So this is saved. Um, okay. Let's go back to automation. So one thing that they really explain to you is this collect user data. So this happens when a user um, try to visit your website or clicks on the widget. You can set this. You can set to collect their data. It can be mandatory. It can be voluntarily. You can add a lead magnet to attract them. So let's say this is voluntarily. So click on it. What do you want to capture? What data you want to collect? I want to collect the email, name, phone. These are what I want to collect for now. So I will have to save all. Save all. Click on save all. Okay, good. Continue. So okay, that is that for automation. So let's go to the self-help. The self-help, this is what we call the proactive support. The proactive support. The truth is, there are persons, most persons will come to your site, and most persons will ask almost the same questions. They will ask almost the same question. So in a way for us to, be proactive, so we decided to add this into we decided to add this self help into this particular app. So what this does is that, as you can see in the preview here, we only have chat. So we can also add the FAQ and articles. So people, instead of going here to just chat with your chatbot, with your AI agent, they can easily click on the FAQ, to get answers to those frequently asked questions. Or if you have a new information and you want users to know about it, or do you have a new features coming in, do you have any information, you can always add them in the article section. So we are going to test this in a bit. So let's start with the FAQ. So you're going to click here. So you will see enable FAQ. So you're expected to toggle this. So continue here. I want this. So allow it to load. So let's check it out. So as you can see, the FAQ is now close to the chat bot. So let's go ahead to create a well-dated FAQ for your customers. So I'm going to click this. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so what kind of question do you want to ask? If you ask the equation, provide the answers. You can always add more FAQs as much as you want, maybe 4, 5, 6, or 10. So besides, I don't really have anything in my head, so I'm going to make use of the Copilot. So I click on the Copilot and I'm telling, hey, I need 5 FAQs for my barbing salon business called You Clean Barbershop. So as it, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this. I want it to be innovative. I want the FAQ variation to be, let's say 5, because I already added 5 here, and the English, of course, English. So I click on generate FAQs. So let's just give a few minutes to load. I don't know, my internet is a bit slow here. Okay, so we already have our 5 FAQs, and they are all editable. This is the amazing thing. You can edit both the questions and the answers, edit them to fit your brand, what you really want. Okay, so I'm not going to do much here. I'm not going to edit anything here. The first one is saying what sets Uclaim Barbershop apart from other barbershop. Okay, yes, you have the answers here. At Uclaim, we offer this, that. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is to click on the use FAQ. So let's see what happens next. Successful. Continue. Okay, I click on continue. Okay, let's check it out to see if our FAQ they were saved. Okay, if you calm down, they are all saved here. So um okay, they are all saved here. So okay, you see, so if you come to this preview and if you click on the FAQ, you will see all your FAQs listed there. So if you click on any one of the questions, you are going to see the answers is provided down there as easy as it is. Okay, so this is a huge success for this. So we are going to do the same thing for the articles. Okay, so let's say my barbershop, we are moving from a particular location to another location, and the truth of it is that we cannot pass this information to everybody. Okay, what we are going to do now, we are going to have I'm going to put out an article out there telling some persons that will visit this my website or make use of this my chatbots. I'm going to tell them that I'm going to pass I'm going to put out a message out there telling them that hey, we've moved from a particular location to another new location. So if you and these are our new contacts, this is where you can find us and all that. So let's go ahead to do that right away. So the same thing that we did for FAQ, we are going to apply the same tactics for articles. So we enable the article. Okay, we say continue. Okay, we allow it to load in a bit. So as you can see, you no longer have the chat bots, the chat and the FAQ session. You now have also the articles and the FAQ. So but if you toggle on the FAQ here, you're seeing save articles to see. You're not seeing anything. You're just seeing a guy, frustrated, which simply means that we've not added any content. But we are going to fix that in a bit. Fix that in So we are going to fix that in a bit. Okay, let's do this together. Okay, so I click the article is already enabled, so I click on add new. Okay, so you can manually add a new article. You can add article header, you can add a subheader, featured image, article date, co-author, and the author, and all that, and you save. But to be sincere with you, I don't really have the time for all that. So what I'm going to do right now is to use the Copilot. Man, I really love this guy. I really love Q, man. Okay, so I'm going to take you. I need a well detailed article on Uclean barber shop Uclean barber shop on Uclean barber shop new address. The truth is we moved from our previous place to a new one. Just come up with a new address. It will be fine. It's all fine. If okay, let me hit generate article. Let's see. Okay, this is article. I think is going to take some time to generate, and my network is a bit slow. So let's just hold. Okay, I'm going to try this. Again. I think the AI failed to generate. So let me return and try again. Okay. So I need a well-detailed title, well-detailed article on Uclean barber shop. What is it on Uclean barber shop? Okay, let me leave it there. Wait and generate. Let's see what we can get out of it. That was why I said your prompting is should be well detailed. Okay. So the AI was able to generate something for us. We already have a header. You can barbershop a modern approach to classic cut. We have a subheader. Of course, we are going to upload an image to this. Dates, we can edit all of these stuffs here. They are all editable. So you can make this 2025. Then the author name. My name is Felix. So Felix. Then the co-author name. Let me say Nate. Okay. So here is the article. You claim barbershop isn't just another da, da, da. So this is editable. You can edit it. If you want to add more stuff, you can go ahead and add more stuff. So this is really, really great. So I would like us to include a featured image. So let's go ahead and import one from my local computer. Um, so I want something okay. I want something like this. Okay, let me add this. This is like this. No. I need something light. All these files, all these images are heavy. Okay, okay, this KB, this is 621 KB, so let me just use this. So let's say I'm satisfied there. So what I'm going to do, I will hit the use article button. Okay, I just did that. Okay, successful. Okay. Okay, so we are good. So let's check it out. Let's click on the preview. Okay, here is the article. So you can add as many articles as you want. You can add as many information as you want. You know, articles. Yeah. So you can add. You want to add another one? Just click add article, and it will add another article. So this is very, very good. This is very, very handy when you want to pass information, maybe a new update, maybe you want your audience to know about a particular feature or pricing or um, the best time they can schedule a meeting with you. So you can just can just add as many articles as you want, or as many updates as you want. Okay, so this is good. So I think we've been able to exhaust all these various settings here, and this is really so. Let's just click on the article on the FAQ. This is good. The article 2, this is good. The charts, this is also good. So if you click on it, it opens and you can see everything down here: the title, the author and the co-author's name, the subtitle, the image, so you can go back to. Okay, so that is that for this. So let me go ahead and launch my chatbot. So you can test this. Okay, let's click on the test. If you click on the test, okay, yeah, so you can test this by clicking on the widgets. Ouch. Okay, you're expected to enter your name here. Test.com. Okay. So as you can see, you already sent. We added. Okay, let me take that again. Let me. I think I'm going to refresh this and take that again. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this. But we click on this button up here. We'll be taken to another page, and we'll see the tiny widgets down here. So let's click on it. Click. Okay. So you can go ahead to chat and all that. I think I already filled the data. That was how I was able to come to this place. So let's go ahead and say hello. Hello. Okay. So the chatbot is typing hello there. How can I access it today? I will say, please, I want to know more about Euclid Barber Shop. Barber Shop. So, hello there. You are in luck. Euclid Barber Shop has a wide range of products to meet your hair care, from professional grade Chauba, da da da, Chauba, and most have da da da. If you're looking for a style, so what's the content that you gave, the content that you use in training, the bots, the agents or the bots will use them in responding to any questions thrown to them. So you can create as many bots as you want. This is awesome. So okay, let's check out the article. Let's test this. Okay, this is cool. Okay, let's also check out the FAQ. This is also cute. Okay, this is working very well. Okay. Um. Okay, next thing will be the next thing we'll do. We need to launch this exact bot. Okay, we'll do that in a bit. All right, so we are done with the preview and we've exhausted all these setups here. So let's go ahead and launch our bots. So launching our bot is very easy. So you just have to click on the button up here that says launch chatbot. So the moment we click on this button, we are going to get a pop-up. There we can copy our embed code and all that. So let's do that together. Okay. So this is just straightforward. Here's your embed code. All you have to do is just to copy your embed code, and that is it. And that is it. So you can paste this embed code maybe on your WordPress site, maybe on your HTML. If you're working with code, and you can paste it in your HTML, your header axis. But I think I'm going to do a video for that so that you don't have to stress yourself that much. Okay. Thank you for now. I'll see you in the next video. All right. All right, we are back. So we've been able to create our very first chat bot, and we've been able to design our chat bots. Feed it with a whole lot of information. So and we'll be able to copy our chatbots, our chatbot code, the embed code. Okay. I would like us to get the code again. I would like us to get the code. So in case you want to get the code, you have to come to this agent console. Agent console, this is where all created chatbot displays. So what I want us to do is to get the code, copy the embed code again, then go to our WordPress site to paste it and see how it looks. So I'm going to click here right now. So give it few. I think my network is a bit slow. It's a bit slow. It's really slow. Okay. So okay. So here we are. So this I think this is the one we recently created. I've created other bots. So this is the one we recently. So this is the agent console. Like I told you, all agents or all chatbot displays here. So going forward, I'm going to explain all of this analytics, chart, share, and all that. So for now, I just want us to get the embed code. So click on this share, so you still get the code here. So click on copy. So I just copied it. So let's head straight to um let's head straight to let's head straight to our site where we can paste this. Okay, log in. So here we are. Okay, okay, let's go ahead and visit our WordPress site. So I'll do this now. Okay, here we are. So let's go to pages. Okay, this is the sites that will be adding our this site will be adding our chatbot to. This is the exact site that we add our chatbot to. So mm, okay. So I'm going to click edit with Elementor. So when I do this, okay, just give it a few seconds for it to load. The network here is really slow. Just give it a few seconds. It's going to load. Then I'll bring in the HTML block here in Elementor. So let's just give it time to load. Okay, so we've been able to do a whole lot of things. Like I said in the other video, we've been able to understand the creation of the chatbot process. We've created our first chatbot, first chat agent. We've gone through the whole process, and we've been able to we did run a quick test, and we also launched the chatbot. So our chatbot is now live, but what we have to do now is to pick up that embed code, then we embed it directly to a website. So you can do this if you're a coder, or if you have someone running your website for you, like a developer. You can him send him or her the embed code. But if you're using WordPress and you really know your way around CMS, you can embed the code yourself. So let me just show you how you can do this in a bit. So I'm going to go back to IQ. So okay, let me just go back to the dashboard so you see how we got there. So I will, in a way, okay, now I want to copy the embed code of that particular chatbot we created, so I can embed it into a site. So I will now head to agent console. This is where every created chatbot displays. You can edit them there. You can do whatever thing you want to do there. So let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, so it brings us here. So we are seeing all our chatbots. We are seeing the recent chatbot we just created. So what we need, like I said earlier, is we want to get that embed code and want to be sure 100% that we are working with that exact embed code, because we cannot embed it in another website. You need to embed it in the exact website you provided, that base domain URL that you provided uh, when creating your bot. So let's go ahead. So with time I will explain each and every one of these functionalities here, but first you need to hit on the share button. When you click here, you will get this pop-up. So copy your link. So we've done that. So let's head straight to so here we are. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new, maybe page or post. Let's create a new post. So I will, ouch, I wanted to open that. Okay, let me go back. I want to open that in a new, I want to open that in a new tab. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I think WordPress is telling us to select a template. So in your own case, you may already have a site. You may already have a site. So yeah, I'm not going to select a template. Okay, that's it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to head straight to where the I'm going to insert. I'm going to locate the HTML block, then insert the embed code inside of it. So I think it's here. Then let me locate it, HTML. Okay, here it is. So I'm not going to click on it. So they are telling me to write here. So I'm not going to click on Control V to paste the embed code. Okay, I think this is it. I think I'm supposed to save. Okay, let me click on publish and see what happens. Publish. Okay, so let's view this post. Let's view this post. Okay, good. So we are in this together. So as you can see, this is the post. This is like the page I just created now. So as you can see, this is your widget here. This is your chat widget. So you can, what you're going to do, you can click on it and you can say, okay, I've already done, before I started this video, I already tested it out. So you always see the history, what you've asked and all that. So you can click, you can ask question. Okay, I will just click on this to ask this question. What do you guys really do? If you click on this, then give the chat a few seconds. Okay, good, it's going to respond to you. So this is it. Okay, good. So as you can see, all your settings, all the stuff you set from your end, from the user's end, they're all displaying the charts, the articles, and the FAQ. So you can put your logo, the name. Also, you can even, I don't know why this stuff is touching up. So you can even translate this. You don't want it to be in English. You can translate it to Albanian, Amharic, Arabic, whichever one you prefer. So let's check out the FAQ. So these are the FAQ. You can just click on it, you get your answer and all that. So the proactive support, that's the power of the proactive support. So let's go back to the chat. So you can keep chatting and asking questions and all that. So that's that for this, but I would like to go back to IQ, I think, to continue showing you the awesome stuff. Okay, so let's come back here. So that is that for launching your chatbot, and of course pasting the embed code and doing whatever. So any visitor that enters your site sees that widget, need to ask any question of any kind. Of course, they will click on the widget and they will ask the question, and of course your AI agent will respond to them immediately. So that is awesome. Okay, let's go back. So I'll head straight to the chat, to the, okay, to the dashboard. So okay, that is the main flow. That is the very first thing I really wanted to understand, being able to, build your chatbot, train, do this, automate and all that, respond to messages, and all that. So the other one just coming as add-on. So let's still head back to agent console. Let's go back there. So you can check out analytics here. You can check out the analytics. You can also, the chart. This is another very important thing that you need to know. So let's click on it so that you can. So when when potential customers or audience visit your chats, the moment they chat you up, you should be able, if there are some questions that your AI agent may not be able to understand, or you may not really want your AI agent to, to reply to that particular customer or client, which means you really want to do that yourself. So you can go ahead, you can head straight to this chat bot, to this chat dashboard. Let's click on it so that you see how the thing looks like. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, here we are. So you can head straight to this place. You will see all chats that your audience, clients, customers they are chatting, you're going to see them here. You understand? So all you have to do is to click on any one of it, and you can respond. And you can respond. So right now, your Copilot, your chat agent is on. Is on. Right now, your chat agent is on. So unfortunately, you cannot type here. But what you can do is you can just like instantly you click on the three dots to toggle Copilot mode, like to off the Copilot mode, turn it off. So you can come here, you can say here you want to turn this off. So the moment you turn this off, if anybody asks you any question or asks your chatbot any question, it's not going to get an automated message. The message will be here, and you can go ahead and answer that particular user. Do you understand? You can go ahead and answer that particular user. So as you can see, I just posted this now. But if you're tired of chatting and all that, maybe you want to go get some rest, you can go ahead and turn on the Copilot. You can go ahead and turn on the Copilot. So here it is. You can turn on the Copilot, and you can go to sleep. Then you allow your Copilot to make sales for you. 100%. So we also have a user details here. So right now, I'm of course using a VPN, so that is why it's showing United States or Ohio and all that. So if you have 10 charts, you always see them lined up here. So you can always click on each of them to respond to them as you see fit. So and of course, okay, okay, okay. Okay. So this help desk, you can call it, or you can call it help desk or your chat desk. It's very very important. Like I said, as other users, as your customers chat you receive all messages here. Whether the chat Copilot is on, I mean the chat, whether the AI chatbot is on, the Copilot is on, or you want to deactivate it, you want to respond to that particular user, all good. You have 100% control of this app. So in a way to even make this foreign and to make it very easier for you, because sometimes as a chat agent or as a support agent, sometimes you may be answering you know some audience or some customers, but you may not really know how to coin your sentence. So we also brought out a cool pilot here where you can ask questions. So you can see, you can ask the question here. I want you to add more content to this. So for example, let me just copy this conversation here. So I want to add more content to this. Let's send and see what the chatbot can bring. Okay, you see? So you can summarize content, you can make a content well detailed, you can correct a content, you can do whatever thing you want to do here. You understand? Because you want is a system whereby the information you are passing to your audience, you want it to be well detailed. You don't want to make any grammatical errors. So with this AI here, with this Copilot here, it can surely help you with that. So as you can see, I asked the AI to make this short content well detailed, and it just did. This is awesome. So um so I can copy this. Go back. Okay, the my other Copilot is on, so I can go deactivate it, then come here, then just paste the content and just send it to that particular user. This is awesome. I think my hand is ready. Okay, this is really really great. So what I want you to do is check this out. Okay, I've got to also mention that there's always a translator here. So let's say somebody send you a message maybe in Spanish, you can always translate it. Or let's say you are not an English speaking person, you can always translate it to Arabic, Spanish, French, and all that. So this software is really really handy. So what I really want you to do is to watch these videos I just created and try to replicate what I did, you know. And please don't forget that when creating, okay, let me just go back to dashboard. Just go back to dashboard. Let me just go back to that. Okay, when building an agent, there's this pop up here. This first off is telling you to add a domain based URL and a chatbot title. A domain based URL, and this domain based URL that you're adding, make sure that the exact place that you intend to use this chatbot to embed the chatbot, the exact site, that is what you're going to add there. And you're not adding the HTTP, no. Just like what I said earlier. For example, what I added there is just iqvers.com. So I did not include the HTTPS and all that. Those things are not needed. If you add all those things, it will throw an error. You get, so just add your domain based URL. Then you add your chatbot title. Of course, the continue button will become active. Then you click on it, then you'll be taken to the editor for you to create your chatbot. So I'll be expecting feedback from you. Thank you very much. Okay.